Good morning, YouTube. What's up, YouTube? It's been a while since I started motovlogging, and now that you can see that I'm in Hyderabad, I'm going to do a lot of vlogging over here. So, let's start. First off, before we start, I would like to congratulate biker Nikhil for have completed Ladakh. Today I wanted to discuss about quite a few things over here. First, to begin with, Ladakh, one and the most beautiful place on earth. That's what I would say. You dumbass. Okay, so about Ladakh, what can I say about it? This is one of the most beautiful places on earth, and some say that it's heaven on earth, and I totally agree, it is. But to reach there on a motorcycle, it's literally like a hell on earth, with the temperature going below zero during summers. First, I'll give you a few things to talk about when it comes to Ladakh. So I'm going to make different topics within Ladakh itself, so that it's not going to be too long for you, and you probably will get bored just listening to me all the time. So to begin with, Ladakh is on northern side of Himalayas, northern side of India, in a state called Jammu and Kashmir. If you can just Google it, you'll know exactly where it is. So having said that, it is in Himalayas, and Himalayas is one tough challenge for anyone. So it is situated in Trans-Himalayan region of Indian state of J&K, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, at this point I'm in a place called Abbots, and this is always crowded regardless of the time during the day. So as I was saying, it is a very unique and challenging experience for any biker. Some of the international biker clubs who have been to Ladakh have rated as the most dangerous and challenging destination on earth. So the second place is Serbia, so you can very well imagine how dangerous it really is. And as of now, this is, I hope you can see now clearly, I'm not sure. So it's raining a little bit over here. You might know a good friend of mine, biker Nikhil, recently visited this place. And as he asked me quite a few questions of do's and don'ts about Ladakh, I just had an idea, why not to share it with all of you guys as well, who probably might be visiting Ladakh in the future. And this motovlog might help all those guys who want to visit Ladakh. So to begin with, so here it goes. First, the basics. How do you get there? That is the famous Karachi bakery on the right side. That smell. Whenever you pass this area, you have this beautiful biscuit smell. Anyways, so I'm going off topic again. So there are two routes to get to Ladakh. One is from Manali side, and the other is from the Srinagar side. So I'll try putting up a map over here so that on the video, so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So Manali Leh is the most preferred choice for any adventurer or a biker or a photographer or anyone literally, because it is not only challenging, but it is the most scenic and beautiful route of the two. Almost I would say 75% of the beauty lies on this route. And this also crosses, I guess, 5 of the highest passes in the world, so it makes it a challenging one. So best time to visit Ladakh would be between May and sort of like a mid of May to mid of September. So here you're going to go from Delhi, assuming that you're going to go from Delhi. You're going to start from Delhi through to Chandigarh. From Chandigarh you're going to go to Manali, and probably that is going to be your day one, wherein you're going to take a break, and the next day you're going to Rohtang Pass, which is quite high as well, and then drop down to Kokhsar. That's a small kind of a village, and during this time you will find a lot of bad roads, and you'll basically not really enjoy the roads at all. It's quite challenging from here on, once you cross Rohtang Pass, that is. And in Kokhsar you're going to stop at the first stop is going to be at a border security, or the police is going to stop you. They have a barricade where you might have to stop, and you have to register yourself and show your license, your nationality, and all the details such as where you belong to, and where you're going, and why you're going. So basically that's what you're going to tell the cops over there, or the BSF. And after that you're going to go to a place called Tandi, and from Tandi you have to reach Keylong. During this entire distance you will face a lot of bad roads and water crossings and whatnot, almost everything, whatever possibly you can see. However, during this trip from Manali to Keylong, you will face a lot of places with a lot of beauty, basically. And these beautiful places, you will stop every single turn and try clicking some pictures, or probably making a video, and enjoy the scenery. The challenge here would be crossing the water crossing, and these are nothing but small streams of water coming from the glaciers on top. So this is going to be a real challenge for you whenever you are going to cross these small canals or streams of water. It depends on the current of the water, and usually there are lots of tragedies on these waters. I'll show you a small clip of me doing this small water crossing.
Help him! Help him! Help him! Help him! Madhav! Pull the end, pull the end. Yeah? Come. Keep the end. Keep the corners. Keep the corner. Straight. Not the center, dude. Okay. Okay. Anshuman is coming.
Come on, the corner. Down the corner.
Yeah, come straight. Perfect. No, not that corner, dude. David, inside the water, don't go into the sand. Don't go into the sand, inside the water. And the corner, yeah, straight. Perfect. Come straight. Anu, say hi here. It's a video.
Alright guys, so watched a clip from a video that we made almost 10 years back, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'll be going ahead and giving you guys a break. I would be discussing all about what to do, what not to do for Ladakh in the next video, so stay tuned. And if you like this video, just hit the like button and do subscribe if you want to know more about biking. Thank you and goodbye.